Hello everyone, welcome to another live stream. How you all doing? I do have to say, I am in a surprisingly good mood. Or maybe even not surprisingly good mood, maybe just in a good mood. That's because yesterday, remember when I finished up the stream because I had to go somewhere? Well, you probably don't because I was in a oddly timed stream and probably most of you that are here right now were not on the stream. But the point is, give me a second, let me just take a look. I just need to put on my shirt real quick. The point is, yesterday when I had to go after the stream, I was going to record for the video. And you know what? The recording turned out fine. And it was the most annoying bit of the video to work on. So there we go. There we are. Hi the Binary V, hi the Gape, hi and welcome, hi and welcome, how you all doing? So, today we're gonna start with something simple enough, I do believe, and that is just a typical good old-fashioned print, actually. No, I was about to say Blender animation, but no, we're gonna start actually with a 3D print. That's because I realized that my mask I just made, just a couple days ago, kind of sucks a bit. It's kind of awful, and so we'll need to improve it as much as we can, and as such I need to get ready because I'm not ready yet. Give me a second. How are you all, by the way, in this fine day? Festivities and Face Lab yesterday. Good for you. Good for you. So apparently this... Okay. Let me think on how to improve that in every way I can. First of all, the edges. I like the edges, but I feel like there could be more of them. I hate my pre-calc class and I love math. Really? What do you hate about it? This will give us a lot of space. Right, what else is weird about this? No, I think this is fine. For looks again. Selection only, scene unit, yeah, everything fine. None of the meetings so far have been lectures. Oh, I see. Wait, what have they been then? The lecture just has us work on problems from workbooks as a class. Oh, that sucks. What's the point of a lecture then? I mean, honestly, genuinely, what is the point of a lecture if it's just going to be something that everyone can do on their own? If I wanted to socialize, I wouldn't take a math class. Brilliant. That is just absolutely brilliant. Oh, why does it snap in such a weird way? Let's do 85. No, this sucks. Lay on face, but this one. Ah, no, we didn't click the repair button that fixes the model. There. I so often forget to just click the repair button that fixes the model. This might be a bit off, so let's just lay on the opposite side. There we go. And I think this should be fine. It will take 3 hours to print, much better. It's going to be a bit smaller than the previous one, that's basically it. Alright, and with that in mind, let's do Blender. Give me a second to save it in a quick spot. There we go. Okay, so now all I need to do is check the script and see what we need to do. In this case, what we'll need to start with is the if my memory does me well, WS2812 LED and dimensions that we might get. Let me see. Yes. Brilliant. Okay, so this is what we'd like to start with. First, let me just make myself some vitamins to drink. Goodness gracious me, I can tell that the reason why I'm having a good day is because I am right now enjoying a manic high, which does mean that eventually it's gonna come crashing down, I'm gonna have a manic low and I'm gonna hate everything. But you know what? Temporary as it may be, still time to enjoy it. So, in this case what we'll need is, first of all, to change the floor texture. And how we're gonna... No, wait. First of all, let's model the LED, actually. Yes. Alright. Let's do it. Environment. Volume. And delete... this one. Text. Make it. Thank you for your content. Oh, you are more than welcome. You are more than welcome. I'm glad you like it. And we'll keep coming. Content can't be stopped. Okay. So when it comes to the size, but pickle. That's a quite pickle-ish, or may not be. Okay, we don't need it to be actually exactly the same. So let's just eyeball it, which is how professionals do it. We're going to have 15 like this. Then we're going to have a cylinder. Like this, and then boolean with this as a difference. Splendid. The only issue being, damn, I messed up. Because if we're gonna do it this way, then might as well just do like 200. Have a good circle. Yeah, I would say this looks fine. Brilliant. Base, and then glass. My goodness, Danny is cooking in the background. Glass aside, and then this one is going to be image. And for the image, you won't believe it, but it's going to be an image. Where's the image texture? There you are. Brilliant. You are amazing at science communication. A platform that tries to conflict. You're the one that's created that doesn't. The interconfrontational rage bait bullshit. Oh, I appreciate you saying that, Bionet. Thank you. I like positivity. I do like positivity. I'd rather have as much of it as I can. It's a finite resource. Okay. File, save as, JPEG. Brilliant, and then open this. I do have to say, the new video is also going to be quite fun. Oh yeah, glass has to be glass, that makes sense. I'm really excited because this is really shaping up to be my favorite video I've ever made. And I don't say that lightly, simply because I have a list of all of my videos in order from the most favorite to the least favorite, so... Oh, why are you not circle? There we go. We'll have this. Like this, then the top glass has to have no metallic. Oh, that's wacky. Hi, Dekatsi, how you doing?
I'm doing good. Are you doing good?
I think I am. The recording session yesterday went great.
You look good.
I know. I do have to say, the mask that I made. Remember when when we were sitting on the voice chat and I was like, oh, I need to make a mask, and then I just made a mask. That was probably my least favorite part of the entire thing. I just don't exactly like the way it looks, but I mean... But it turned out fine, the recording, so...
What's wrong with it?
I just don't like it. It doesn't sit right with me. I think it's too big. I think that's the issue. I'm printing a new
Isn't
one.
what is hair?
Yeah, it's probably it. Like... If I don't put my hair over the mask, I look bald. And with a big one, it's actually difficult to just drop it in there, so I think that's the issue.
Okay.
I just emailed the bioinformatics professor at my university that I'm interested in the accelerated MS degree. I just have a course level beyond my comprehension. You'll be fine. If anyone will go for bioinformatics, then bio nerd. That would fit. You just can't let the haters get to you.
They're no haters, they're only lovers.
Bio nerd, by the way, is meowing to you. Let's see.
Not meow back. Meow.
Ah, not this one. Piss. Oh, how am I supposed to actually fix this? I think it's gonna be rough.
What you making?
I am working on the video. And I am making a model for the video of the LEDs.
Okay.
Oh, this square is gonna be so gay.
Just like me.
Yeah. Damn
Are you
it!
more square or more gay?
How do you cut in Blender? I keep using the shortcuts I know from SolidWorks and it just messes me up. Okay, so you do it
Forgetting how
like
to
this.
blender.
Oh no, I don't normally use the knife tool.
Oh, okay.
Not many people use it. It's very rare that you need to use a knife tool, but like this, enter, and enter. It is, I think. Alright, brilliant. So we'll have this. Is it too edit? That's a good question. Is it? Now glowy will be this right here. That will be glowy. That's going to be image texture, and it's going to be the same exact image. Yes. Oh, why is it like this? Whatever. We'll leave it. Now, right here, if we increase the emission, it's a bit awkward, and by a bit I mean a lot. But if you got the glass, up the roughness ever so slightly, then not bad. That can work. If we set this to something like 1000. It's not necessary to go this much in detail, but whatever, we're already here. Good enough. So then, what we need is we need to add the base plate. Yes, that will be an octagon. Is there a way for me to... I can add a cylinder with 8 vertices, right? Yes, that is an octagon. And then 360 divided by 8, divided by 2. There we go. And I would say, yeah, this is roughly it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, why is the geometry like this? They're fixed. Okay. So in this case, in order to make this nice and visible, first we're gonna give it the metal color, which will be just not purple, absolutely not purple. Nothing is purple.
Well, that's so metal.
Yeah, it's gonna be so metal. What are you doing to your mic?
Am I doing something?
Yes, very much.
What the I'm not doing anything, what does it sound like?
It sounds like if you're moving, if you're crumpling up paper on your microphone, or if you're, I don't know, holding like a paper bag or a plastic bag over your microphone.
Does it still do that?
Right now, no.
Yeah, I have no idea, honestly. I'm not doing anything to it. What is me? Mm.
Okay, this, then we're going to do transform twice. And I so badly want to come up with a transform joke, but I just, my head is empty for some reason.
Goddamn, you know, folks. The trans joke is impolite.
It's always implied. 3 minus 3. There we go. Pretty solid. And now once again, you just do the pins. Is this coppery or is it Oh, where do I even have those pins? Oh, where's my mask? Shit! Where did I put the mask? Oh, jeez.
Yeah, where did you put the mask, handsome?
It's still in my bag.
You have to look absolutely gorgeous.
Now I've got it. So, they are actually metallic, but they're going to be a bit brighter. Splendid. Correct? Is this proper? Okay, this is more pitch white. So base, and then like just pitch white. It's hard to see because it's blending into the background seamlessly.
What's bitch white?
It's just hold on, this for that, but that's not necessary. We're going. Are we going that kind of accuracy? No, there's no point. All right, this is good enough. So then what we need is them geometry nodes. That's because we would like to control the color. In this case, in the glowy, we will have this, but it's going to be actually an attribute. It's going to be a geometry attribute, dry for the brightness, and then there's going to be another one for the color. Splendid. Then we do this. Beautiful. Alright, so that's the LED. Then we like some kind of background. It's been such a long time since I've done this whole thing. Just setting up a blend scene. Jeez, a month or something? My goodness. Has been a while.
Wow.
Yeah. Classical space, I do believe. The good old fashioned make it classic.
Make it perfect.
Okay, not bad. Divide by 5. That's pretty good. Make it. Why was Maiden's Curse lifted? RNG.
Did you roll the mercy?
I genuinely don't know. Something happened. I don't remember if I lifted the curse.
Okay.
It's RNG. It's always RNG by then. Listen, if you join in a community of someone whose entire personality is just a incredibly unstable mad scientist, these things are about to happen.
Alright, I would say so.
Okay. A splash of color and brightness as well. I mean, we could just crank this up to 30. And this would make it. So instead, I'm gonna do. Oh, genius! I can just take this. Ever so slightly scale it down. Less than, yeah, and then 100. Yes, and now there will be just certain extremely bright stars. Now, yeah, once again, it leads to an absolute mess. It's really dim, it's an absolute mess, it doesn't look like anything, but...
Just like you.
Just like me.
At least you're my absolute mess.
I'm not trying to mad at the government! This, no.
Madly dripped out.
What if I do... What if...
Uh-huh.
What if... Okay, they all together, isn't it? We'll bring them up to like, I don't know, 1.5. Kind of like this. There we go, and then... Oh wait, no, delete the pane. Yes, alright. The volume and the floor have to be much larger. Volume larger, like, in general. Something like this. Splendid. And then, what we need is we need some kind of floor banged floor texture. Or even better, first let's just install a single lamp.
You buy me your floor?
So dumb. Alright. What kind of floor would work in this case? Splendid question. Quick! To the texture folder. Where is it? I should probably make myself a cup of coffee, maybe. I'm doing this all not caffeinated. Indeed. It's very odd, isn't it?
Wow.
I made myself some mac and cheese for breakfast. Simply because I had like 2 open bags of pasta that I had to get rid of. And I had a single open bag of cheese that I had to get rid of. And I got some spices that, well, they just would have worn. So I made it. But there is so fucking much of it. There is so much. I just want to say, by the way, that Mr. Worldwide, what was the name of Mr. Worldwide?
I don't know what is his name.
Do you know who Mr. Worldwide is, Katsu?
Yeah, I'm
Pitbull!
actually.
There we go, that's the name.
Oh yeah, that guy, yeah. I know that guy.
Pitbull is such a modern poet. I came, I saw, I conquered. I conquered, I saw, I came. That is. And they say Shakespeare was amazing, honestly. I also do believe that I'm quoting another lyric of a song. I don't remember which one it is, but if I do remember correctly, my memory does me well. It goes, "I'm like a squirrel, always looking for a nut," which truly.
I mean, that's a lyric, no?
I mean, truly, Bo Burnham was wrong, and art isn't dead. Okay, materials. We definitely will pick something, some metal, like funky. I do like this one. This one won't be bad, yeah. This is classic, it will just work. Or maybe not.
No.
Or maybe. Give myself some coffee. Ah. I like my men like I like my coffee. in a cup, pouring boiled water over it. No, it smells delicious. Okay.
I'm not sure what that meant.
I like my men like I like my yogurt. I will not elaborate.
I like my man like I like my chicken without skin.
No, where's wood? Once again, I'm just looking for wood. Never ends.
You're knocking on the wood.
I'm looking for wood. Where's my wood?
Oh, I missed the joke. I'm sad.
Knocking on wood, but knocking on wood is like a. That's not a euphemism. That's just an action. Like for good luck.
Yeah, but it's also, you know.
It's not a euphemism.
But what if you're knocking on my wood though?
Like that's a euphemism, yeah, but just knocking on wood, that's not a euphemism. That's literally describes the action that people do. You know, when they do like this. It's literally what it stands for. Wood find dark.
What's the point?
This is
You
amazing.
wouldn't knock on my wood, would you?
Once again, I would need a cup and boiling water.
Damn.
Invert right here. This should be, in fact, wood.
Meow.
Yeah.
Live?
Shite, absolutely not shite. This sucks, but I think this is the best wood texture I have.
I mean, so do I.
Don't know how to respond to that, I'm really honest. It's good to take pride in one's work, you know? Oh, this is much better.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yes, absolutely. Splendid! Now that we have the... Well, the background kind of sucks, not gonna lie. I feel like I could do the lighting better.
So do I.
Okay. Whoa, that's strong. I'm out of milk again, so I'm just gonna have to drink this black.
There's a joke to be made here.
There's plenty of jokes to be made all around this. We have been continuously making them.
You're wrong.
Okay. This lighting is bloody awful. Let me have a thunk. What were you about to say? You clearly...
I'm about to fucking stand up and watch the stream, maybe. Like, I should probably do that. Provide some great advice.
Huh, what if... What if... what if I do 80 frames, whatever, and then it'll be like this. Actually, more, let's do 120. Yeah, it shouldn't be so dark outside, so we need some additional lights. Or actually, we should probably first render a single frame because there's going to be so much of a volume there. Never mind, my face has been nagged again, just because I forgot to turn this on.
Wow.
Now there's going to be so much volume in there. Yeah, exactly, it's going to be just completely dark. That makes
Is
sense.
your volume getting bigger?
No, it has the same volume. No. Oh.
Wow.
I just got a message from All Matter. They're doing the thing. They are all mattering.
Oh, they're doing the thing with the image you send them.
Yes, in fact.
Hell
The
yeah,
one I've been leading
I'm
up to.
so into that.
So am I. I'm looking forward to it.
You think I'm not?
Once again, I'm so ready for All Matter to make me look better than I actually look in real life.
But you're already so good in real life.
I am really Ryan Gosling, right?
Yeah.
No, this is comically way too dark. It's ridiculous. Who made this scene?
I mean, the last image was unreasonably fucking hot. That image made me feel things I didn't know were
What,
possible.
were there multiple make-its?
No, I mean the fuckboy one.
Oh, that All Matter one. Oh,
Yeah.
I heard this. Okay, that makes sense. That does make sense.
That
It
even-
is
Was truly something.
certainly an image.
One of the better ones, if I had to say.
It's certainly not bad.
Yeah. Damn, I wish I would have fucking room 34 light back of me.
Actually, is there any rule 34 of make it? Hold on, I need to check.
We know the answer to that question, my kid.
I'm checking. Give me a second.
There's at least one fucking piece of media we can think of, but I don't think it's on the website though.
Make it. No! 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 This sucks.
Hmm.
This is terrible.
Well.
This. What's the point of living? What's the point of life? Ruined! They ruined!
Oh.
I don't even have a Wikipedia page. Ridiculous.
Life is better with me.
Oh, this is also. It's gonna take 7 business days to render because of all the reflections.
What is a tiny little thing?
Okay, there we go. This will. Oh yeah, I need one more thing. Right. Oh, it's also gonna be tricky.
Mm-hmm.
That is, I would like a shadow from this. I have an idea on how to do that sort of thing. Okay. Frames, and then there's going to be appearance, and then front 0. The render animation. Alright then. Wait, no. No, right. Very, very wrong, in fact.
All bad, in fact.
All bad. All left.
all matter, maybe even.
What's the point of life? It doesn't even matter. What matter? Also, hold on. I got some lights. Nah, no, there's no point in me asking. What are we to do right now? Oh yes, I know what. I still have the code open from our tests yesterday. We can work on this. If you recall, this is where we ended up.
Oh, what's this?
This is a script I've made. It's
Huh? That doesn't know. That does not play anything.
give me a second. Alright, anyway, doesn't matter. The point is, back to this. So sorry, I got distracted for a second. This code, right? You asked what it does. That is... It's pretty self-explanatory, isn't it?
Yeah, of course.
It is. No, okay, but what this script does actually, most of it is just commented out, but it's just modifying an image. So basically right here, I can edit the color of a pixel on a pixel by pixel basis. So in this case, what I'm doing is, if a pixel is has a green value of less than 160 and more than 40, and red value of more than 160, oh yeah, that's right, messed up. Which means if I change this right here, the point is, it's either setting a pixel to be gray or it's setting it to be in its normal color. But the problem is that I screw up the inequalities, so...
So it's like a specific mask.
Yeah, what I'm effectively trying to do is I'm trying to only delete the crown.
Oh. Isn't one of the fun is green probably? Actually, I don't know. I haven't seen it in color well.
So here's the question, Katsi. Looking at... Oh, never mind, they can't be displayed. So here's the question, Katsi. Looking at this video, how do you select only the crown pixels?
Well, probably just start for yellow.
Well, for yellow is a very specific range of green and red, so...
Yeah.
Hex
Like, and no blue.
of yellows. Let's take a look at some yellows. What the yellows are. Yellows are no blue.
Can't you like...
But no, okay. Oh, blue.
Can you pipette the color from the crown and just...
Well, I can, but the whole point is that it's a range, so it's better to just look at what colors, what yellows look like. And yellows either have really, really low blue or really high blue. Really low blue when they are saturated and really high blue when they are desaturated. Which means what we want is...
And they all look very similar, so it's hard to fucking tell what they are from looking at them.
What we want is...
1 second.
Take this. Let's do if red plus green is greater than blue. Let's try this for now. If red plus green is greater than blue, what is this gonna look like? Nah, okay. It's somewhere. It has working for them somewhere, but it has to be more red than green. If I... Yeah, usually, no, never mind, whatever the others equal. Okay, so instead what we can do is we can add like a scaling factor of, let's say, and if that doesn't work, we're gonna do a square. Okay, so wrong way, so let's do it this way. That's too much again, anyway, damn it. Oh yes, NP logical and then we're going to AND together this with, if it's this and the sum of these colors, absolutely not what I'm going to select this. If the sum of these colors is greater than, let's say, 90. Huh. Almost. This is not the yellow.
Are we getting there?
Good enough, I would say at least. Alright, so now...
Are you getting there?
No. That doesn't get me anywhere.
I'm getting there.
Good for you. What? I need some kind of video with contrast. Can I do it in the GIF?
Thank you.
No, there's nothing. No.
Is the alligator video not helpful, surprisingly?
I have an idea. Let's turn Miku into Teto.
Let me go, yes.
And,
That would be quite easier to pick, wouldn't it?
okay. I only have one. Katsu, do you have any normal Miku memes?
Me too. Let's see what I have. I have a couple. Okay, well, let's do this one. Yeah. How about this one? Is that a feasible meme?
Yeah, I think it's fine. I think this will work actually. This will work. Might work.
All right.
Let's turn Miku into Teto. Miku live 2.mp4. All right, and then let's make a rule so that in this case the first one. I never remember which way it goes. X and Y depending on condition. What is condition choosing X or is it choosing Y? I never remember. Oh, whatever. Let's assume it's going to be the first one. So it's going to be itself of this, and otherwise it's going to be copy frame. We're going to set the red color to be itself if okay, blue, if blue is greater than red plus let's say. Then we're going to set it to the value of blue. 3D printing noises, yes. Then red, that's what, yes, and then blue will go to set. Like this. No! Damn it! I made it green!
It's green? He's booming now, damn.
That's not even a... Okay, if that happens, that's not even a coloring up! Let's set it to 0, otherwise 1. How about this? Oh
Are you
no.
colorblind
Oh.
by any chance?
I mean, I selected the
God.
right pixels.
Are you... Because everything else though. That's the issue.
Oh no, I didn't select the right pixels. It should be 2 and 0. Like this. No, it is messing with other stuff as well. Alright.
Select where there isn't any red at all.
No,
You know?
the problem here is that it's what's the green? Red, this.
So you
Let's set
don't
it
grab
to...
anything outside the frame, possibly?
So this plus this. Well, selecting everything. Damn it! Is
That was
minus
a
10
hard
the reason?
select.
How is this already so difficult? Okay, let's just set it to... I have an idea. Let's just set it to either 0. Let's set it to 1. Let's set it to 0 or 255. Oh yeah, because I'm doing it only for the red. No, it makes sense. 0, 1. Alright, so now... Okay! Something, which means that when this... Oh, it's true, basically everywhere. That's curious. That would mean that blue is... Alright, that makes sense. Now if we add a scaling factor like minus 20... Oh, is the issue that we added a minus when it should have been a plus? That's weird. Oh no, it should have been a minus, just more. So 60, 60, 60. Okay, hundreds. That's deceptively hair. What? You mean to tell me that Miku's hair is less blue than the background of that meme? This ain't working.
Maybe?
It's just... No, not
Yeah,
maybe.
no.
Something is wrong.
Well, it's just fucking less saturated.
Oh,
So
it's
there is
because
less
it's
blue
not-
overall.
It's because...
But like, you know.
Because we need to normalize it. Yes. Yes. Because we need to normalize it. Which means we can't do this. But we need to...
Getting mad confused by colors right now.
Times 0.8. Or times 2.8. This is gonna be alright. Oh, it's gonna be much whiter. So let's do 0.3. Okay, on to something. Alright.
Anything but, that's good.
It is selecting her, in fact. but it's also selecting a bunch of trash and right. Which means what we can do is we can do, well, I can first take a sip of coffee.
The frozen bite is just white, so like every color, right? So that's in the light.
I think the issue there is that we need to select this, and we need to select frames in which blue.
Can we just deselect anything that's even slightly red? Because we know there is no red in the fucking microware.
I mean, I can.
That would be easier.
It's like, normally selecting is better than deselecting stuff.
Well, I mean, if you're selecting for blue, then you're picking, yeah, Miku, but also everything white, because that is also blue.
Nope.
And that's, no, is it not?
No, because we're selecting everything. We're not selecting everything that's sufficiently blue. We're selecting places in which blue is, where something is more blue than red or green.
Oh.
So
oh, that's how it works.
Yeah,
Okay.
we're selecting places where blue is greater than green plus red times a half.
Okay. So okay, so you're picking for mostly blue. Well.
This because these will go. There we go, and then we can just up these to be, let's say, I don't know, 90.
Okay.
Even better, instead of doing it this way. Well, no, first we're selecting rough mask, right? Yes, but then, once that mask has been selected, we can just...
We'll do this for what? Blue and what's the other one? Green, right?
What's the other one?
Well, that's cyan, right? Blue and green.
What's the
Is
other
it?
one?
Is it not? Am I stupid?
This
No, no, it's cyan. So yeah. And then you're like absolutely sure that everything else pisses off.
Stop it with the fucking green! Would you mind? Okay, so this is the default. The default is the default, but if it's not the default, then you want to like divide it by. And right here, in order to be clever, we'd like to check. For now, just divide it by 10. So
I like those minimalist fucking programs, but I haven't read what that does. I have no idea how to control it. Man, from looking at the screen.
It's. Are you familiar with NumPy?
NumPy.
Yeah.
What's NumPy?
It's a Python library for controlling arrays very efficiently. So basically, let me get rid of paint. Right. So basically, as far as I'm aware, in this case, we have the image, right? Where each we have just like a bunch of pixels, each one of them with 3 values. In this case, our image is represented as a NumPy array, which means just one array of just image lines, where each line is its own array of pixels, where each of these pixels is its own array of 3 values. And the whole point is that if we're using NumPy methods, then we can like do calculations for each of these pixels at the same time. That's why right here I'm using NumPy where. So basically it's taking that and every single pixel where the logical statement is true, it gives it the second option, whilst if it's false, it gives it the first option. So basically what this is saying is that set the blue value to if blue in that place is greater than half of red plus green and blue on its own is greater than 90, then you want to set it to red and to the red value, and if it's not, you want to set it to the blue value to itself.
Okay, so the cool part of the program is to taking the fucking whatever video format is in turn into a fucking array of shit, and then open another array. Okay, that's cool.
If I take frame, oh, it's because we're dealing with fucking frames right here. Oh, I swear, if that's the reason why it was green, I'm gonna be. Now it's yellow. Okay, now much better. Already much better.
Now she's narrow.
Now this is no longer. Now the side is purple, but this is not purple. Progress. And then in this case, instead of setting it to 0, which will be sharp, we want to set it to. Actually, in this case, just if blue is greater than 90.
You still do math on the set operation, because those were different colors on Miko and the wall.
Yeah, I know.
It fascinates me.
I'll just do.
Nothing is bad with me, it just... It vexes me.
And then we multiply it by copy frame blue. Can we just divide it by it? Wait, wouldn't that just do something? Why is there a sharp cutoff? I did something wrong there. A sharp cutoff happens for this, so it's not not. Instead we. Oh, this is not great. This is not great. Yeah, exactly. Which means we don't want it to be. If we take a root, we're going to reduce the number. So if we take like a comical root of this, something like 1/12. Let's not take that image. Oh, because this is 255. Right. Yes. So we don't want to take the root. What we want. Oh fucking hell! We want to go the other way. We want to bring it to a power. So bring it to a 12 power. And then divide by 255 to the 12th power, and then multiply. No! Oh, damn it! Oh, that's gonna make it go green. Why am I struggling so much? Effectively, what we want to do is we want to just, instead of it being linear, we want to cast this non-linear. Alright, let me have a go at it. Desmos. Real quick. Basically, Desmos. Now, here's basically what we're trying to achieve. If we have 1 point, do you remember the points in Desmos? That's always confusing to me. It was just literally this 0 to 0.5. Ah, it was great. So 255, and then 0, 0. Would you want a line that goes through these 2 points, but with as sharp of a rise as possible?
As sharp of a rise.
So for example, if we do x squared, then we just divide the whole thing like this, and that gives us a rise. Huh! And -1. Oh my goodness, just -1. And then right here. Oh, I am just brilliant. I'm pretty sure that we could do it in an easy way, actually.
You've done that.
Because if we... Also, we do one as a Vixen function.
Must be quite sharp.
If we take x, we divide by 2.5 first. That will give us a range between 0 and 1. And then if we square it, it's gonna have sharp and sharp with an incline, right? Yes, which means if we do x squared, third, 4, 5, 6, another 10th, brilliant. So, what we want is we want to set it to this multiplied by 1 minus copy frame blue, but we want this blue to be different because we want it to be divided by 255 and then brought to
Why are you
third power. Bring it to like 5th power. Yeah, well, the issue is it's still green.
So is that not where our issue lies?
No, there still must be. It's just that if we multiply by a lower value, it cannot be higher. That's because this at best can be a 1, and 1 to the 5th power is still a 1. Which means 1 minus that would be 0, which means if it's something is incredibly blue, it becomes incredibly not green.
Probably not green.
What if we just copy this and just apply the same kind of logic to green? And right here we just do blue. What do I do it the simple way?
Okay, well, there.
Okay, that's good. The only issue is that right now is incredibly sharp. Not what we want.
Mm.
Yeah, that makes sense because we are using semi-sharp functions. So now what we would like to do is we would like to, instead of doing it in a sharp fashion, do it in a gradual fashion.
Okay.
So basically, the greater green plus blue is than red, the more we want to replace those values. It's gonna be a bitch of an equation.
Well, you just to add our variables within the fucking, or if it's in the bracket we're replacing, have them be variables and have the output based on input.
What did you say?
You need to have variables in there, like if they're in the bracket that we're replacing, have the frames like output be variables and we base the actual color on that. But you're a programmer, you know that, so I think to tell you that.
I don't understand what you're saying.
Okay, well, fine. I'll just never say anything.
No, I genuinely didn't understand.
No, that's fine.
Alright. Cool.
I bet you'll get there.
There's only one way I have an idea of how to do it. Which means we're gonna have 2 scenarios. We're going to have, well, effectively we have 2 prompts. We have the blueness, greenness, redness, and for each frame we would like to determine, so let's call it mask, and it's going to be this. Brilliant. Both of them added together can range up to 510 if my math does me well. Which means if we divide them both by 2, then their maximum will be 255. If we divide them both by... Okay, let's for now try this. This is best. Unless it's an old features mask. This should really be black and white. Splendid! Oh, why is it sharp? Oh yeah, because this is still there. Makes sense. Why? Now they look sharp. That's not great at all. I think that genuinely might be just the way the video is loaded in. No, there's no compression. What's happening? Right, what's causing this? Is it the blue? Why is it yellow? Why is that sharply yellow? What is happening with that wall? In every single color, that wall isn't pitch white, is it? No. I don't understand this. This is just baffling me. Alright, whatever. Doesn't matter. The point is. Oh no, I know what's happening. Oh, it's the fun thing from the last stream. Right, it's this. Oh my goodness, that's wacky. That is just wacky.
I love fun things.
Now let's subtract from this complete frame. Let's go back to this again. Brilliant. Okay, so this is our dynamic mask for mainly the hair. I know it was the problem in the previous ones, by the way. I just figured it out. It's the computer science thing again. The byte was overflowing.
Well, what?
Yeah. Oh, that's better.
Alright.
So in this case, we don't want to set it equal to the mask. What we want to do is we want to set these. Let me see. We want to set these equal to themselves.
Yeah.
But only where the mask is. So if we do this, we really should do a special color. Right? Yep, that does check out.
Yeah, that's what you want to do.
That does check out, that does make sense. I keep forgetting we're not dealing with between 0 and 1s. Why is this so rough? What's your issue this time? What is your issue this time?
Think about using your hair.
Frame! Wait, no, that should be it. That shouldn't change frame. Why is this? Can I just divide by 2 by 5 like that and that would make it better? I don't. Oh, what is your problem? These data types are fucking me up.
Meow.
Okay. Let me just every single time print some kind of pixel of the video. So 255, 255. Print that pixel. It's always either 0 or 255. Ask curious. Does it just not accept?
It's very curious indeed.
Oh, it's because all of them are fucking. Can I please do float? Or is that gonna be not loud? I don't think it's gonna be allowed. That would be too loud. Yeah! Yeah. This isn't gonna be loud. This won't be allowed either, but. How do I fix this? Because I haven't got much of an idea. How would one go about doing this sort of thing, but with integers. NumPy converts an array from an integer array to a float array. Yes. Ah. Okay. Can I do np.array of this entire thing and then just do d-type float? Absolutely not. Still zeros and 255s. Can I? Oh, this could be either idiotic or phenomenal. Can I send it to a float right here? D-type float. Oh, hi Drash, how you doing? I've extracted the raw Miku essence.
You've done it?
I have
Miku.
extracted the raw Miku. Okay, so I can just have it deal with floats. That's phenomenal. That's so much better. They can be negative now, which, well, it's a slight problem. Because they really shouldn't be negative. Why would they be negative? Oh yeah, because the mask can be negative. Right! Shit. Yeah, no, it can be. Wait, can it? No, it can't. No, yeah, it can. It very much can. How do I, in a clever way, avoid it being negative? What is the... Okay, let me have a think. What is the lowest value this could have? Minus 255. So minus 1? Yes, minus 1. Which means all we need to do effectively is just take this, add 1, and then divide by 2. Ooh, that's a lot. The values look a bit off. Can we d-type integer? Show me this. Oh, it just crashed.
No.
Oh, it's quick. Alright, because it's not exactly. Oh, you little. Can I somehow do the calculations on. Yes, I can. Yes, I can, in fact. If I don't do this here. There we go. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. I thought there's more people like you. Well, thank you, Ash, thank you. Okay, so right here we are doing the mask. Not exactly the way we want to, but we are doing the mask. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do the inverse for red. So 1 minus mask times this.
Uh-huh. I wish upon your success.
Huh? I'm sorry. Hold on. Oh, brilliant. I made everything more red except for the hair. What except for... Right, so we need to swap these. And this should demicify the hair slightly. It won't quite be Teto. Huh, that sucks. Alright, can I set everything to mask again? Let's see what it looks like. Ah! Right.
That's helpful.
Why is it pitch black? Okay, what's the difference between this and just copy from Amazon? It's just darker. Brilliant. No, that's great. That's festive.
Blue.
After my horrible study, I should have later time is still here. Alright, Ash, alright, see you for now. Good luck on your adventures. We're going to do the MP array business again.
Going to a new chat mode for YouTube called bottom chat when it's nothing but meows.
Innovation. Someone, quick, someone call up John Google. We can take this entire thing, and since this is between 0 and 1, we can just bring it to like, we can just like square it. And even better, we can like, to the third power. Yes, and even better, we can like to the fifth power. I know it's very subtle, but the hair is very much still there. I'm pretty certain everything else is disappearing. So if we then multiply by like 5. Okay, not bad, but the issue is then how do we normalize this? NumPy max. Just muffled marks this. Or I can do it with NP where this is greater than 1. 0, 1? Let me just see. Oh, that is curious. Oh, is the second one when it's true or false? I always fucking forget. The second one is false, first one is true. Which means itself right here, and otherwise just 1. Brilliant. And the nice thing about this is that we can input something like a 10 and something like 100 for these. Yes! I got you now! My Miku detection software.
Miku detection. Brilliant.
No, I think the 10 and this might get it. Actually, we can
Make him die, oh.
There is my Miku detection software in action.
Make him die, oh.
Alright, brilliant. So now we can take the mask. And, right, mask is a 1 where there is Miku. Which means what we want is... If I multiply all of them got their own corresponding thing. This is what we get. Why this has a color? Oh no, it does make sense. That makes sense that it has a color, yes. Oh, that is so good though. Brilliant. Alright. I've been at this for an hour and a half so far. This is great. So then, what I need is set it equal to it's 1. Okay, so 1 minus mask times this, and then plus mask times copy frame. This might break again so slightly. 2. We might again once can go like weird searches. Okay. Not bad. And then right here. Okay, it's too strict in its micro detection. Let's bring it down to like power of 8. There we go!
Yes! Success!
I've 35 micro, it's idiotic. So it is.
Awesome. We've done it.
I can even bring this down to like 100, although that might screw up.
Now let's put in another video and have it completely fucking break and not work.
No, it's just gonna work the same, but it's gonna replace blue with red. So, for example, hold on, let me see what the kinds of beams I have that have blue in them. Hold on. See, oh never mind, hold on, I found, it's an image, but still, this. I'm pretty certain it would still work with an image, so, it's Niku JPEG, and let's see. It was very brief! Seconds. Right. Shut up! You could see, damn it, you could see it there, but like, it disappears.
I'm by.
There we go. See? It takes this image and turns it into this image.
Okay, well. Surely this video won't crash it out.
Show me. Oh no! Oh, I hate I even recognize what song it's from.
So fucking yellow, it's not gonna work for the program.
Alright. Now this is proper tetotification. That's the medical term.
Application. Yeah, I agree.
Okay, hold on, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Give me a sec. Okay, I'm back. So now that we managed to tetify Miku, what's this mean?
What is the next on the agenda?
I know. Let's try another one. 3 beers.
3 beers.
3 beers. That's MP4. There we go. Let's try it. There we go. It swaps the blues for the reds. Brilliant. So now the point is that I can like customize it to keep whatever colors I want, disregard the colors I don't want.
Okay.
What is actually next on our agenda?
Well, this is just swaps red and blue.
Yeah.
So the process can be reversed.
Yeah, it can.
Okay. You know, I have a lot more tattoos I have Mikus. So we can still keep fucking a bit.
Wait, you want me to Mikufy the Teto?
Yes.
Oh, how would I reverse this?
Oh, he's a. Yeah, we can check them both at once.
I'm going to rename this to Tetofication. I'm gonna make another one. So, and then we're gonna make another one that's gonna be Mikufication. Do you want me to do that image? Okay, hold on. How would we Mikufy stuff? Well, we detect. I could just do it simply and like reverse it. No, that would do everything. No. Okay, do you have some kind of Teto video?
Tattoo video.
Yeah, Teto video.
What? Do we not have tattoo videos?
You don't have Teto videos?
I have only tattoo images. Well, I have this one, but that doesn't. I don't know if this helps you in any way, you know? I know this.
Never mind, I found one image which actually will work great for this test, so.
Okay.
There we go, let's Mikufy the image. Alright, it's gonna sleep for 2 seconds or so. Now we run it. Oh no, that's the 3B problem. Oh yeah, right, because we need to run the Mikufication. Okay, so far nothing changes. Now, what do we want to do? Well, we want to fucking know. This is just rounding. So right here, we want to create a mask of. Even I'll just copy these, and let's just have the mask to multiply by its own corresponding thing. Okay, this is terrifying, is what it is. But what do we want from the mask? Well, we want if red. In this case, we want 2 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 0. Array is not open close. That's not a great sign because that means I missed the bracket somewhere. This purple goes to purple, yellow goes to yellow, yes, the statements. Then red goes to red. Uh-oh. Oh no, I think we're just missing a bracket at the end. I hope so at least. Nope. Ah, okay, what brackets? Oh wait, no, this. Right. Okay. Not quite progress, no, but I would describe it, certainly. How much closing brackets? It's sweat, it's not one thing, it's another. Yes. Okay, that's a maybe. It doesn't quite feel like it. Could we just multiply them all by 5? Or is that too much for us? Yes, not bad. Now 12 power because it's gonna be extreme red, so we can jack it up. Okay, brilliant. Okay, this might be a bit much. This is 12. Actually, let's bring up to 16. Why not? Alright, brilliant. So that's the correct mask. Now we just need to take this mask and actually run it. Haha! Good. But we would like to decrease this actually. There, this is.
You've done it.
It's. By gosh, I've done it!
Liquefaction complete.
The cycle of tetification and mucification. And the third one that no one cares about. What, I don't even know what the third was called.
Specification. I don't know. Nobody cares about Nero. Who?
But yeah, there we go. Wait, what does they have on the agenda for the day? I mean, we're printing, we can't need to wait for that.
Well, you've done it.
If I run mucification and tetification on the trans flag at the same time, it's just gonna return to a trans flag.
You're wrong.
This would be actually a great analogy for half spin of electrons.
The Miko and Teto?
If you if you micify and tetify the trans flag at the same time, and then you need to do it twice in order to return it to its original state. And if you imagine like the process of microtetification as a rotation, that's actually it's a great analogy.
Yeah.
I know
This
it's
is a great analogy for quantum mechanics. Anyway, it's fucking confusing.
What do I do right now?
What do you do? Do you do me?
Let me have a think. Because this is really good. Do I have any animations, right? That's something I can do. In this case actually, I'm gonna make another one. It's gonna be front zero with shadow, because I just remembered that there is actually an option to select certain objects to be what is the name? Shadow catcher. Right? That does not look like shadow catch to me. Is it because of the volume? Oh shit. It might be because of the volume. Oh, what now? Nope. Ah, there it is. There we go. Now it catches the shadow, but beautiful. So this is actually a much better render. Yeah, beautiful. And the only other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to slowly increase the volume over time from 0. It's almost seamless. All of these Bezier and gimme. We're gonna do it the professional way, fine.
Well,
Yeah, I know.
me. Personally. Honestly, we'll have a splendid day.
I don't like how it stops instantly. Yeah, it sucks, it's awful. Instead, we need something like this. Damn it, what's up with you? No, that was way too much. Oh, I actually like it. It's frivolous, it's ridiculous, it's unnecessary, I like it.
Just like you.
Just like me. Unnecessary.
And hot.
Alright. What's next on the agenda? Agenda?
Agenda, Liber don't have agenda.
Liberal agenda? I thought liberals didn't have agenda.
What is on the agenda? Make it.
I genuinely don't know for the stream.
Is there nothing on the agenda?
No, we have a lot of things. It's just most of them I can't do on stream. We can plan one thing. I will need to set my camera for it though.
Okay, that's true.
What? Give me a second to go and pick up the charger.
Charger? I barely know her.
Okay, I picked up the charger. Brilliance, and then this and south, right.
Bro.
Yeah, I know. This, brilliant. Oh fuck, I plugged it in with the cable. My cable's such a mess, because I keep tangling them up. Hi Lvat, hi!
Are we supposed to be seeing things right now?
No, I was plugging in the camera. You can't see anything as I'm plugging in the camera. So, that is how they work. Ta-da! There we go. Splendid. Ah, damn it! But I didn't bring over the things. Give me a second.
Okay.
So.
Okay.
Okay, so remember like 7 years ago when I said I wanted to go to a hardware store, and I did go to the hardware store? Sure,
The hardware
the point
store?
is, I got some things. This is actually unrelated, but this is mainly the important bit of what I got.
You got that cock ring for your massive.
Absolutely unnecessary to say that, but good for you. Let's just take away the stickers. They bother me, they are vexing me.
Them stickers, they dox you.
They vex me.
Mm.
I don't want unprofessional stickers.
Yeah, can you stick them up?
Do you have some C2H2 in your room? C2H2? Oh, that sounds violent.
Carbon is violent.
Most definitely. I mean, ethane is C2H6. C2H2 would be quite rough.
You say so?
Yes. There we go. Alright. So brilliant. I really must have OCD the way I just went when all in focus was removing the stickers. The point is, out of these, we will. Oh, this is the side plate, but then don't lose that. That will also be important. We could also work on the side plate, but that's a lot of effort. That's I don't kind of a one-off. So the point is, what I was planning to do is assemble these like so, the corners. But in order to assemble them this way, we will actually need to print a couple of things. Which means we can't get started on that either because Danny is busy.
You're just handling a massive metal defeaties.
Yeah.
And the sound of you slamming them together is louder than anything else.
Yeah, it's metal. Metal tends to be loud. Listen, there's a reason why Falling Pipe.mp3 became popular. Well, Katsi, we do be waiting for the mask right now, so.
Oh, you want me to do something with you?
I know what to do. What meme did you even... What is that?
What,
The meme,
what they do?
the meme you sent. What the... Unbelievable. Okay, so basically, we cannot work on the fix-it. Because in order to work on the fix-it, I would need to install the hardware. In order to install the hardware, I would need to proper recording for it. In order to that, I would need to work on the video, which I cannot do on stream. We cannot work on the metal thing, because in order to work on the metal thing, we need the printer. We cannot use the printer because Danny right now is printing the mask. We can work on the animations, but, well, they are going as they're going. That will have to wait a bit. We already finished the mikification and tetification script.
Can you ban it? Or do you still hate ban it?
I want to work on Bonnet. This is such a boring thing. What do you want me to do with Bonnet?
Do the reaction rolls. You click the reaction, you get roll.
Why do we need that?
We need something. I think we wanted to. I want to do some reaction bullshit.
I need to remake Bonnet completely.
Why?
Because it's a huge piece of garbage on fire. Have you seen that code? The nice thing about Bonnet, though, is that I don't actually need a server to host it. I could run it wherever I want, because then it will be nice.
Can run it on my buttplug even.
Cyclohexane, do you have this? Cyclohexane. I do not have cyclohexane. I have benzene. Best I can do.
Cyclohexane sounds fucking terrifying.
It's kind of exactly what it sounds like, actually. 6 carbons in the ring.
Oh god, that thing fucking explodes, doesn't it?
I actually don't know if it's more or less stable than benzene. I think it should be more stable than benzene.
I would not trust it whatsoever.
Okay, fine, we can do Bonnet. That requires me to get on my server, so give me a second. I should really remake Bonnet completely. Do I want to remake Bonnet on my server? Why not, I guess. Fine. No, whoops, hold on. I entered the wrong thing. I tried to connect to my Pico, which, well, isn't even on right now. Not Pico, the, Cyclohexane is my favorite molecule. Good for you, Vat. Good for you. My favorite genuine molecule is benzene. And my favorite non-genuine molecule is either helium dimer or helium hydride. Whichever one.
My favorite molecule is estrogen.
Alright then. Properly, and I'm gonna call it Bonnet Refreshed. Okay. So there we go. What do we do? Well, first of all we delete this. Then we delete. Actually, we're gonna keep that one. We keep this, and then we delete absolutely everything right here. And then listen on message on member join. Also delete everything. Actually, I'm gonna keep this template. Delete the cursed message. Delete. Jesus, I'm just such a mess. This. These, no, they do need to be at the beginning, right? Right here. Splendid. Now to remake Bandit in my image. See, it's such a pain. I now need to think of a smart way to actually make this work.
Really smart, I can do it. Believe you.
I know I can do it, it's just boring because it's gonna be me sitting mostly silently.
I can be here, I can meow occasionally.
Brilliant.
I think this is what people wanna see in these streams.
Me sitting silently for 5 minutes with Danny noises in the background and occasional meows.
Yeah, yes, of course.
Okay, I just speak content.
Meow.
Take this. Okay, so basically on message, we would like to scan the message. We'd like to scan the user. Based on the type of the user, we'd like to then scan the message. Which means what we do is, on message, we take message author, and then how do we check the roles? Okay, this, brilliant. Unrefreshed, right. If this, and then we do all of them rings of power and such. Make some teacher cause in your home. Don't tell me what to do, that.
Oh my god.
No one will ever do.
He did a thing, he told him what to do.
Talk to me now. No, I won't. The amount of police is actually endearing.
Okay.
Okay, so first.
I think it's some way to moderate chat.
Hold on. Alright, so first this is gonna be the blessed. And then we're gonna have this. And what we will do is actually can create
No.
another. We can create another Python file that will include all of the actions, or like all of the commands. I still am trying to figure out the smart way to do this whole thing. A way that won't just ruin absolutely everything.
What would make it do?
If I was making it, what would I do? The problem is we not only need to figure out what action we're trying to take, we're also trying to figure out, depending on the action, we may need some additional information. God damn it. Fudge that node. What if I take the board and I also plug in the board into the functions? Oh. Right? How do I ban people? Hold on. How do you ban?
Meow.
You do it with the board. Can I just open the board? So commands.py. Because in that case what we would do is we would have define blessed command mandate from heaven, okay, and then in this case it's going to take message bot yes, and then what? Let's try something. Oh, but I would need to fucking run it in order to. Oh, jeez. Whatever. Let's try something simple now. To me, if message content dot lower, if ban it in message content lower, then message reply await. Ah, it has to be distinct. Right. This might not work. Reply which needs boss. This might not in fact work. Let's see it. Right here on message, we want commands, blessed command, and then message bot. Await. It might be await. Ah, I got a clue. Let's see. Tools, attach, and then ban it. Refreshed. Well, that's brilliant. Oh wait, there's no async function. Alright, so it has to be defined as async. Okay. That's something. Ban it. Cutsy. Type in bandit in the live voice channel.
Ban it in live. Okay. Like this?
Alright, brilliant. That's good. That's actually good.
Okay.
Okay, that's brilliant. So this works. Honestly, wasn't expecting that to happen. So what we're gonna have is we're going to have elifs, ifs and elifs, and then each if. So let's have like a first. What kind of utility do we have? Ah, we need to copy all of the utilities I had in the older version. Don't yawn on me now. You fucking wanted this.
No. I still want it. No.
Okay. So first, the most important, fuck you, Bonnet.
Of course, the fuck you, but it's the important thing.
That's going to be the first one. If fuck you, Bonnet, in the message, then I'm just gonna reply. So, brilliant.
First, officially add this for your fucking bot to be able to be abused.
I need it, right? It's my bot. Shut up. Okay, so right here. This should be for banning people. I'm just gonna add it in there and trust myself that the code works. Because how am I supposed to test this? Hi there, Ash, how you doing? How's your studying session going? Then we're gonna have cursing the person, right. Oh, we also need a database then. Yeah, that's the thing that sucks about this. We need to pass in all of the information we have. I mean, to be fair, apparently I need to look up something called Gauss-Green theorem. My life.
Interesting.
No, I should just...
Oh, I feel like that. No.
I don't want to deal with this. I just straight up don't want to deal with this. I think this vexes me. Oh yeah, let me just think about this. Alright. Pycode on message reaction. Is it something like that? On message. No, on when someone is got a reaction, yeah, but how do you, is there an event? Hi there, Remco!
Oh, hi.
Now for the mod abuse. I'm actually working on Bannet right now, don't worry. I got the mod abuse covered.
Yeah.
Message reaction events. Is there some kind of event? A subclassing client and overriding string events. There is the use of client listen. Used to assign multiple event handlers of only one, like in client event, for example. It's confusing. And this is also really wacky notation. The article was never used. What does it actually do? Decorator? Don't like the sound of that. You need to tell me.
Decorator? I barely know her.
Oh. Oh, but that is... Oh, but that is so confusing. Because then you okay, yeah, you set a function to another function. Oh, fuck. So you're sending a function to another function. And then you just rename it, effectively. Okay, so the function BODListen already exists, and right here what we're doing is we're changing that to the other function. Oh my goodness, this is... For some reason I'm having a really hard time wrapping my head around this. Static method. Okay, so we have some kind of function called static method. Then static method. What? Where is static method? Oh, this vexes me so much. If I set up another BODListen, will it break? Fuck me if I know. Or can I just set up multiple of them? Climb listen, climb even, climb listen. Okay! So I can set up multiple. Gotcha. Alright. So right here, we're going to set up... Well, we need an event. Automod, bonds, channels, connection, apartment, guilds, integrations, interactions? What's interaction? No. Message leader, message leader, message edit, other message edit. No. Reactions, yes. When a message has a reaction added to it. Okay, but that is for... That's for all messages, is it not? Fuck me. Is it? Could I have an example? No? Alright. Fine.
Okay. Yeah.
So right here, let me just copy these because we're gonna need to this is awful. It's not difficult, it's just awful. Because it has to be on reaction add. And then we're going to have reaction and user, where reaction is discord.reaction, and this is going to be discord.user, I'm guessing. And that's on reaction add, and then we're gonna also have on reaction remove, which has the same exact thing. And then, once this happens, what we want to do is... What message did they react to? I'm sorry, what? Reaction to message, okay. Reaction to message. How do I check if the message is the one I think that it is? So what I'm going to do right now is going to be brilliant. I'm going to quickly access ban it manually. Give me a second. I need to... Oh no, how am I... This is so difficult. Because what I would need to do... No, Cassie, I'm sorry. I don't... This is requires...
Oh, shit, sorry. What you do?
No, I just can't do it right now. This requires so many things first for me to do. Eventually I might do it, or I might not. I don't know. This is awful.
Alright.
Jeez, my head. This really is rough. Okay, doesn't matter. I think I'll be it for the stream for now.
Yeah, same. I'm falling asleep.
You asked for the... You know, whatever. I don't care. It's fine. I'm gonna... As I mentioned, I have a lot of things that I can't unfortunately do on stream. I have to do for the video. And I'm gonna get to them now. So everyone, that was fun. Hope you all enjoyed this live. Well, at least we got the tetification, microfication, which honestly, that was pretty good. We also got a fair bit of work done. It may have not been interesting, which honestly kind of sucks, considering how this is supposed to be a live stream. Doesn't matter, whatever, doesn't matter. The point is, thank you everyone so much for watching and have a great day.